Hi, I'm Louise, Director at Exam Papers Plus. Today, I want to talk to you about something that's possibly keeping you up at night, your child's 11 plus exam preparation. But here's the thing, and I want you to really hear this. You don't have to choose between quality education and your sanity, or your bank balance for that matter. That's exactly why I'm excited to tell you about our 11 plus video masterclass tutorials. Traditional tutoring? That's not the only way anymore. These masterclasses are like having a personal tutor living in your laptop, available 24/7, no scheduling required. How amazing is that? Here's what makes EPP masterclasses different. First off, these aren't just any videos. They're bite-sized, focused lessons taught by real 11 plus experts who know exactly what your child needs to succeed. We're talking about people like Nick. Get this, a doctor turned playwright turned tutor who's helped countless children get into top London schools. And Alex, a qualified prep school teacher who brings high-level production skills to make these lessons really engaging. But here's what I love most about our masterclasses and why I believe in them so much. They work with your child's brain, not against it. You know that feeling when you're trying to learn something new and it just won't stick? That's because most programs ignore the science of how we actually learn. These masterclasses, they're different because they allow for something called spaced learning, breaking everything down into manageable chunks that actually stick in your child's memory. No more information overload, no more frustration. Just clear, focused learning that builds confidence step by step, viewable when your child wants to watch them. And let me tell you something else, something that might be worrying you. You might be thinking, but what if my child falls behind? What if they need extra help? Well, here's the great thing. Your child can replay these lessons as many times as they need. They can pause, rewind, and really master each concept at their own pace. No judgment, no pressure, just learning that works for them. Plus, and this is huge, you also get worksheets, practice materials, and even a question and answer feature where you can ask about anything you're not sure about or need more clarity around, and an EPP expert will review your question and answer it for you. It's like having a complete 11 plus support system right at your fingertips. We know your child's education is too important to settle for anything less than the best, but the best doesn't have to mean the most expensive or the most time-consuming option. It means the smartest option for you, the one that actually works with your life, your schedule, and your child. Take a moment right now to imagine what it would feel like to have a complete, professional 11 plus preparation system that works around your schedule, supports your child's individual needs, and doesn't break the bank. You get unlimited access for 2 whole years. That means your child can truly master each topic, building the confidence they need for exam success. No rushing, no pressure, just steady progress toward their goals. Remember this, you're not just investing in exam preparation, you're investing in your child's confidence, their future, and their ability to learn effectively for years to come. That is priceless. And the time to start is now, not because you have to, but because you and your child deserve the peace of mind that comes with knowing you've chosen the smart path to success. Visit our website to explore a range of masterclass tutorials that are currently available. From exam stress to success, visit exampapersplus.co.uk today. We've got you covered.